Hi Sunny team, my name is Eloisa and we are going to start with a 5-minute warm-up right now. I want to go over some basics on the rower before we start. I want to make sure you are fully hooked in. Take your resistance down to about a 2 because I want this to be a light row and I want to go over more basics during it. Grab your handle. Do not fully grip it. Light grips, light hands. You should be able to row if you wanted to with just your fingertips. You start by pushing through your legs, leaning back with your abs, and you finish with those arms. Right now, like I said, light resistance, warm up your body, warm up your legs. On the note of your pulling back, wait until the rower gets past your knees before you engage your arms. So, past my knees, then arms. We're gonna do this slow for 30 seconds so you get used to it. Don't lock your knees, pass those knees, pull back, shoot, pull back. And on that is the ab motion, shoot, and then pull back your arms, and shoot, pull back your arms. 10 more seconds here. I just want you to get used to the rower. Back your arms and shoot. Yay, we got this. Now I would like you to sit up straight. Again, it's past our knees. We are gonna work on those abs for 30 seconds. So lean it back, lean back, lean back. We're in front of our knees and then we're leaning back because we're getting past those knees before we then shoot with our arms. So again, light lean forward, light lean. 20% of your workouts here, 60% is in your legs, 20% in your arms. Breathe. I want this really easy resistance because I want us to be able to do it. Don't lock your knees and let's just work on those arms. You should be lean back, pull back. The rower also should be coming to your chest. You don't have to hit it, but it should be aiming for that chest bone right there in your rib cage. And pull, pull, breathe, warm up those arms. Right now is when we are letting go of everything in life and we are just focusing on this row. You made it here. Hardest part is getting in the seat. Now, I want to engage everything. So take it in, lean forward a little bit, fully shoot and pull. Fully shoot and pull, breathe. This warm-up time is a great time to think of your goals. I want you to stay present with our rowing. The last thing I want to go over is our counts when rowing. Shoot 1 into 3. Shoot 1 into 3. That's because we jump before we can fly. Jump and then bring it in. Breathe right there. "30 seconds. We're almost fully warmed up. I want you to take up your resistance or speed up your intensity. For 30 seconds, I want you to go full on out, whatever you can give. I want to make sure you're fully warmed right here. Keep that going. And shoot, pull, in. Shoot, pull, in, breathe. Last 10 seconds. Try to give me 8 more strokes. That's less than 1 stroke per minute. We're at 4. I'm counting, I promise. 2 more. And last one. Take it down. Roll out. Hugs to stretch yourself out before you get started. And open it up. Pat yourself on the back for making it here. And other arm, pat yourself on the back. 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale what we're gonna do during this workout and exhale any thoughts we have on our brain. And inhale our goals, exhale everything else. Inhale something that's gonna be fun. Exhale the hardness of this workout. And last one, inhale your intentions for the week, for the day, for the month. Exhale anything else. And now let's get started.